Hello! I'm excited to show you the delightful Mixed Media Memories and More card pack. It's a must-have for anyone who loves paper crafting. Let's explore this wonderful product together. Inside this pack, you'll find 54 beautifully designed sheets that will ignite your creativity. We have 2 each of 7 double-sided 4x6 cards, giving you 14 stunning pieces to work with. And that's not all. You also get 2 each of 18 double-sided 3x4 cards, totaling 36 pieces. Each card is meticulously crafted, featuring a variety of designs with and without greetings. Plus, there are journaling card options, perfect for adding those personal touches and heartfelt messages. And let's not forget the sticker sheets. You'll receive 4 sheets in total, 2 of each of 2 designs, all sized 4x6. These stickers are perfect for adding that extra flair to your project. One of the best things about this pack is how easy it is to mix and match. You can combine the stickers and cards to create a truly personalized touch, making each piece unique. And the Mixed Media Memories and More card pack coordinates with our Mixed Media Florals Suite. This means you can seamlessly integrate these cards and stickers with other products from the suite to create cohesive, stunning projects. So whether you're scrapbooking, card making, or just looking to add a personal touch to your memories, the Mixed Media Memories and More card pack provides incredible value and endless possibilities. I hope you feel inspired to create something beautiful with the Mixed Media Memories and More card pack. For more information on this product and others, reach out to your demonstrator or go to stampinup.com to find a demonstrator in your area. Happy crafting!